Alright, today on William's Adventures, I'm going to be doing an unboxing, something I have never done before, because I have been commissioned to build a project for a friend of mine for his girlfriend for her birthday. I can't say what it is, but if you I can't say exactly what it is, but I'm pretty sure you'll figure it out. Now, I will say that she loves Skyrim, so it is based on that. So, I'm going to turn the camera around and show you what I got ordered here. What it is where is it? Balsa Wood. 1/8 of an inch thick, 3 inches wide, and 36 inches long. And there's like 10 pieces in here. So, I have the wife hold the phone while I do this. Yay, paper. Really? See this craziness? Wow. Just wow. Alright, come on, you. Oh, yeah. And the rest of this is empty. Just this stuff. Wow, what a waste. Oh well, anyways. Look at this. Oh yeah. Good place to put the garbage. Yay, I get a rubber band. What? Balsa Wood. Can I help you, bird butt? Nice thick rubber band, too. Oh, yeah. Man, this stuff is so light. Cool. Alright. Well, I did pay $35.30 for this from Michael's, the crafting company, and then shipping, so it came out to $43.25 for all this. But this will go great for what I am building, because I don't know if this guy's girlfriend pays attention to this. This is why I can't say what I'm building, because I don't want her to know early. So I'm going to have to take and remove all these stickers. Can I help you, Mr. Shadow? Hold on a second. Cat? Alright, well, I gotta take and remove these, then take and lay them out for what I'm making, which will probably be my next video. I am still working on my Mandalorian armor. And as of today, earlier today, I got an email from, I can't remember his name. I'll put it in the, in the video. But he's the North American senior manager for Games Workshop, and I've been invited to the Kansas City Grand Tournament, June 2nd through 4th at the Sheraton. So I'm planning on going to that. So that's really cool. Alright, well, thank you for joining me today on William's Adventures, and let's go on an adventure and create something new.